we're here for another week, and if you've been following the series, you know that last week we had a bit of an issue with the cylinder head. Yeah, that wasn't so good. So this week we're going to tackle this mess. It's a bit of a state in the garage while I've been building this engine. I'm doing a bit of welding, a bit of fabrication, a lot of tidying up. I've also got to paint the timing chain cover because I didn't do that when I painted the rest of the engine. Don't know why, but I forgot basically. So, and I've got a new microphone. Hopefully that's working. I don't know, we'll find out in a minute. Well, I guess I'll find out in the edit whether it's picking up this or not. Hey ho, we'll find out. So yeah, join us and we'll have some fun tidying the garage and doing a bit of fabrication. Enjoy the video, and we'll get a like and subscribe in at the early point, shall we? Yeah, like and subscribe, happy days. Apparently there's some hype button, I've never found it, but if you've got the hype button, click that as well. That'll really help. Cracking, let's get on with it.
All on my hands, heart full of fire, metal and dreams in the cold garage wire.
Right, that's the first coat in. Happy days. So we'll get to tidying now.
Every turn of the wrench leaves a mark. Sweat and steel, the story's real. Every scar tells the deal. I built this life from gears and will, and I'm not standing still. Build it, race it, live it loud. Turn that key, make your old man proud. From the block to the open track, there's no road I won't come back. Build it, race it, live it free. This is who I'm born to be. From the pit lane roar to the mountain road, dark sports spirit, full throttle mode. The vans are home, the car's my fight, running on purpose through the endless night. Build it, race it, live it loud. Turn that key, make your old man proud. From the block to the open track, there's no road I won't come back. Build it, race it, live it free. This is who I'm born to be. Every piston's heartbeat sings, every mile a crown of rings. Fuel the dream, let the world ignite. We live for speed, we live for life. Scars on the block, lessons learned. Every setback, another turn. Push through the doubt, the grind, the fear. 'Cause every mile brings victory near. Sweat and steel, the story's real. Every scar tells the deal. I built this life from gears and will, and I'm not standing still. Build it, race it, live it loud. Turn that key, make your old man proud. From the block to the open track, there's no road I won't come back. Build it, race it, live it.
You know how I said I'm a rubbish welder? Case in point. What I think I'm going to do now is pull the engine out and hope that these mounts are tacked in place so I can then get into the engine bay and weld them up properly, because coming in from this angle is nigh on impossible. So yeah, I'm going to pull the engine out and climb into the engine bay and hope and pray basically that they are tacked in well enough, but we'll find out when we pull it out. Yay! Well, there's not much room in here. but I think there's just about enough. When I say just about, I really mean just about. So this side here got slightly disattached, so I'm going to try and hold that in place while welding it. Obviously my tacks were a bit rubbish, so we'll weld this one up, put this one in. This one, still a little bit loose. That one is literally like holding on by the skin of its teeth. So we'll get these all welded in.
All on my hands, heart full of fire, metal and dreams in the cold garage wire. Late nights, torch lights, chasing the spark. Every turn on the wrench leaves a mark. Sweat and steel, the story's real. Every scar tells the deal. I built this life from gears and will, and I'm not standing still. Build it, race it, live it loud. Turn that key, make your old man proud. From the black to the
Well, they're in and they're rock solid. Tried with the TIG. I am rubbish at TIG. I need to practice TIG welding because, yeah, it's really hard. So I went back to stick welding and these things aren't moving. Hopefully the engine mount still fits in there. No, but that's nothing a little hammer won't fix, because it's literally like a couple of mil, if that. No, it's probably 1 mil. So, and the reason you don't weld with this in place is because it's rubber and you'll just melt the rubber. That is looking good. I'll get some weld through primer just in that area once it's hammered into place. And yeah, rock and roll. Another job done. Right, that's the engine bay clear and ready for the new engine. The engine mount on the left hand side, you've watched me weld that up. That now fits, so we're looking good there. The garage is also slightly tidier. We got a load of crap out of the way, but yeah, we're now looking good. So next week's video, we'll have the cylinder head back, so it's back onto the rebuild of the engine, which is good. So we'll have the cylinder head fully rebuilt in the next episode, pop that onto the block, time it all up, and yeah, rock and roll, I think. We might get it fired up next week, but we'll see. But yeah, this week's been a bit of a make some progress while we can't make progress sort of video. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and like and subscribe, and see you next week. Cheers.